First of all, I want to change the typography, and I have already looked for the font before, so it's called Source Sans Pro. I liked it for this project, so I'm going to select it here and choose the styles that I need, the regular, the italic, and the bold. And when I look here, I'm going to need this link in my functions PHP files, because we're going to change the fonts via functions PHP as a style link. After copying this link to the font that we've chosen, I'm heading to FileZilla to open the 2019 child folder and edit the functions PHP file, because in the newer version of WordPress, the styles are unqueued into the theme. They are not put in as a link, but unqueued into the function file. So here you see that the parent CSS file is built into the theme, and here's the child CSS file. If we write anything here in the child CSS, it's going to overwrite the parent CSS. The same goes for the child JavaScript file. If we have custom JavaScript in our child theme, it's going to override the one of the parent theme. So here I'm just going to paste the link from Google Fonts and then copy this WP onQ style function here and name my function child Google Fonts, make a comma, and then paste this reference to the CSS of this font here inside and put a semicolon here, and of course delete this link. I'm just going to put a little comment here, add Google Fonts, so that I know what I have changed in case something doesn't work. I'm going to save this and yes, confirm. So now let's see if anything has changed on our site. No, it hasn't. And the reason is because if we use the web inspector from Firefox, we're going to see that this H1 still has the font family that is in the parent theme. So we have to overwrite this in our child CSS file. So let's do that now.